I'd like to introduce you to my 2007 NC Miata.
I'm taking it autocrossing today, so in preparation, I replaced the brakes, changed the oil, and the check engine light is on, so this car is ready to party. Modifications are pretty minimal. It's just a factory 2-liter Duratec, and it's got a little intake, that's about it. Suspension has been changed out to Ohlins coilovers, and there's big, fat, meaty tires on here. These are Bridgestone RE-71Rs. They are huge. They are 245s sitting on 17x9 Konig wheels.
Now I think this car is going to do well today because it has a secret weapon. I'm the secret weapon. I'm going to squeeze everything I can out of this NC Miata.
Now let's go see Mr. Anthony and his Honda Fit.
What's going on, Alex?
Hey, how you doing, Anthony?
Good.
So tell me about your ride.
2009 Honda Fit. I got it about a year ago. There's not much done to it. I've got coilovers on it.
Yeah, what's this custom intake I'm seeing?
You like this coil intake one I did? There's like a factory air duct on the hood, so
it comes
I made a little fiberglass. I didn't want to pay $200 for a cold air intake, so that's what I did.
6 ULs?
Yep, 6 ULs.
I like the color, man.
The exhaust, we got a HKS.
HKS.
Yeah.
And you got a tow hitch, so you can tow me home, man. Are you a dope boy?
I'm a dope boy.
Because girls love the dope boys, baby.
Girls love dope boys.
But we're both still street tires, so we're in GTC S.
Including this EG hatch here. This thing is properly fast. I've competed against this fellow before. He is an excellent driver.
It's kind of crazy how they put these tires in street class. On 500 tread wears, everyone else is running 200.
200 tread wear has become cheater tires. They're just so darn grippy. Oh, we didn't look at Kalina's car. Hey, Kalina, how you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
This just tricked out in Mugen stuff. Because your favorite brand is Mugen, right? You're a Mugen boy?
Oh yeah.
Why do you like Mugen more than Spoon?
Their stuff just looks good.
These are Inkies, right?
Yeah, NC03s and 18 by 9.5. So
9.5?
wide, yeah.
Holy guacamole. That's a lot of tire. Is this dual air caps?
Dual air caps, you know.
What's the deal with that?
So you can fill it through one cap and then check tire pressures through using the other one at the same time.
What?
Exhaust is a pseudo SB2. It's pretty loud. It's pretty dang loud. I'm not sure it's going to be under the 95 decibel limit.
And here's the amazing Beetle. This is an incredibly competitive car. The fellow that drives this car drives the absolute pants off of it. Bilsteins on the inside there. Solid rear axle, no independent suspension here. Super light car that's ultra competitive, and it happens to be in my same class. Here's an MR2 Turbo. Still has the 3S motor. It has some awesome Willwoods on here. 350Z. Looks like it's the track pack because it has the Brembo brakes. This car, I think, has aged rather nicely now. Looks like he's serious. He's got RT660s. This guy's come here to win. This is one of my personal favorites here. This is a Exo set. So this is a Miata that's been gutted, put into this crazy space frame. And to top it off, this guy also turbocharged it. But everything's like accessible. Like, look, you can get to everything. Nothing is out of reach. The gauge cluster's been just transferred over from the NA Miata. I mean, it's just straight up bananas. Z06 Corvette. These have grown very much on me, and I would definitely wear some New Balance shoes to be able to take one of these for a spin.
Time to walk the course.
I'm gonna have to have you show me your EG a little bit. Give me a little walk around tour. How's it going?
Yeah, we can do that.
So is it powered with the D series still?
D-Series, yeah, stock SI motor. It's got an air intake, lower crank pulley, and that's it.
Entering the slalom, I'm gonna enter from the right, and then when I go back, I'm gonna enter from the left.
How about you, Kalina?
Oh, I never calculate. I just go as I go.
What am I driving? I don't know, Justin, what are you driving? You driving your Porsche?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm driving my little Miata, the white one out there.
You still have the Toyota? You still have the Toyota.
Right now. I have two of them.
Get rid of it. And it's green is driving first.
You Alex?
I'm he.
You got promoted.
Now I'm the guy doing all the stuff? Oh my gosh. The Exo set has come out to play. Oh my goodness. So are you gonna give me an exciting start?
I'll see what I can do.
Here's that SW20, right?
Yep. The only thing stock on this thing anymore is the chassis.
So is it a handful?
Yes.
All right, it's time for me to get the Miata ready and set some fast times. First run. Get that hair out of my way. Go through the shift pattern, looks good. I tend to push it right off the bat. I don't really do warm-up-y laps, I just kind of go hard. There's already a cone down, nobody's paying attention.
Feeling good. Tires are still cold. Tires are still very cold. Oh, shit, come on. Push it, push it, push it. Don't give up. Never surrender. It's slippery out there.
35.0.
Let's go see what Anthony pulled in the Honda Fit. 51.5. Did you get lost out there or are you good?
I got pretty loose out there. I was sliding around a lot. It's a fun course.
What'd you pull, Mike?
DNF. Coming out of the slalom, I was going too fast. I couldn't get over to the right. Yeah, I got really sideways. I think I was drifting for a second.
All right, I'll keep an eye on you, my man.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, look how pretty the NC looks. It's my second run. Tires are hopefully a little bit warmer. Oh my goodness! Ah, there's that scrub. Just gotta get the tires warm, man. Ah. So it was slower that time, but I used my time to warm up the tires. Mr. Anthony, what's the word on the Fit? 50.3 plus 1. Where'd you hit the cone?
No idea.
Oh, you lost something.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Yep.
Oh, so it did fall off my car. This is a part of the airbox.
Hey, that's the cold air intake.
Some gremlins under the hood, you know?
Somebody's untightening it, man.
It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
All right, then the SW20 with that turbo power. Damn, that was awesome, dude! Holy cow! I'm jealous of the power that MR2 has. When he really gets on, it just like rips. Tell me where I can improve, Anthony. I need your wisdom.
Oh. No way. Holy shit. Oh. Oh my god. Jeez. Listen. Oh man, I felt the blood going to my head on that one.
All right, so I'm like a second and a half behind the leader, which is that Porsche Cayman. I got some slight noise coming from the front suspension. Wheel hasn't fallen off from the last run, so I'm gonna push it even harder this time. Ah, shit. Whew. .42.5. God dang. I definitely have a camber bolt that's busting loose. Pretty sure this guy's wiggling around, but it hasn't fallen off and I don't think it will. So I think it'll be fine. Don't worry about the popping. Don't worry about the sound. Just focus. Committed. Stay committed. Don't brake, don't brake. Carry the speed, carry the speed. Even with the throttle. Full throttle. Don't brake, don't brake. Just a tap. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, my man. Oh, that was it. That was everything I had. 41 flat, but I hit a cone. Where did I hit a cone?
Let me put a hat on.
Mike doesn't know what I got yet. What'd you get, Mike?
I'm pretty sure a clean 42.7.
42.7?
I'm in the 42s. I'm happy about that.
I got a flat 41.
Holy shit.
But apparently I got a +1 that got called in at the last second.
So you're still at 42.0.
Good job, you guys. Good job driving. I believe in you, Anthony. You can do it. Woo! Almost hit that cone. Doing good, man. It's the end of the session. How was it?
It was a lot of fun. We only got like 9 runs in, 8 runs in, but still a ton of fun.
9 runs, get to feel out the car, get to discover what things might break with it. In my case, I got some camber bolt issues to deal with. I had a blast, man. I was happy you came out with me.
Thanks for inviting me. I've never run with the scoop before, and it was a lot of fun.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
See you guys.